Oh yeah, I have an experience when I was when I was in high school. Um,
Mm-hmm.
um, because that time, because
Yes.
I finished my my elementary education,
Class
like
10
have
or
a
11 you completed
element
in
like elementary
11.
primary school. Yeah, I have this like a good reputations in terms of the subjects um good reputation with maths, good reputation with English, those things like sciences. And when I was
Uh,
on high school, even though I'm not that good at everything, there is like one student that reached out to me that he asked me for tutors. Um, his parents always ask me to teach I mean, teach his son, and I mean,
mm,
it happened because that kid doesn't really know read and write those things, and can't do basic maths, and that's what I do. I think that's the first tutor that I did, but honestly at that time uh, I I really want to complain because it feels like it is just wasting my time, and it feels like it it is taking a lot of time in my
mm.
academics. So it's just lasted for 3 days. I just said to the
Hello.
to the I just said to the parents that maybe I'm
I
not
think
the
you